Hello and welcome to the JavaScript Basics tutorial series. I am Manoj and I am excited to be your guide on this journey into the world of programming. In this first video, we are going to dive in and start with the very basics of JavaScript. Whether you are completely new to the coding or just looking to refresh your skills, you are in the right place. So what exactly is JavaScript? Well, JavaScript is a versatile programming language that's primarily used for web development. It allows you to add interactivity and dynamic behavior to websites, making them more engaging and user-friendly. So why we should learn JavaScript? Well, for starters, JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and for good reason. It's the language of the web, meaning that it nearly every website you visit relies on JavaScript to function. By learning JavaScript, you will be opening up a world of opportunities in web development. Whether you are interested in building your own websites, creating web applications, or even pursuing a career as a web developer, JavaScript is an essential skill to have. But beyond its practical applications, learning JavaScript can help you become a better problem solver and critical thinker. Programming teaches you how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks and skill. If you're excited to continue this journey into the world of JavaScript, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on next videos. Thanks for watching and remember to stay curious and keep coding.